The author of the book, The Kalkiist Manifesto, Jaisa, is an accomplished entrepreneur in the state of Pennsylvania in the USA. He has previously chaired the Committee of Entrepreneurs of the Non Resident Nepali Association in the United States. He has a science background. He has attended the Amrit Science College, which at the time was the most famous science college in all of Nepal. It's in the capital city Kathmandu, and students from all over the country came to attend that college when they had a science focus. After he came to the US, he also attended a community college and the University of Pittsburgh. As someone who works in the wireless industry, he has a problem solving mindset and he wants to develop concepts for devices that can capture a large market similar to cell phones and laptops. He has come up with two provisional patents for two new devices. One is a prescription reading and dispensing machine that aims to solve the AMR or antimicrobial resistant problem on the planet and help save the entire medical profession. The second, the ATMT or anytime money transfer device, can make any underdeveloped country 100% cashless in a short time. In fact, he did not start out thinking of a moneyless society, which is the gist of the Kalkiist Manifesto. He first wanted to create a cashless economy and he had Nepal in mind. But once he did that, that led him to take a few more steps and then start thinking in terms of a moneyless society. So the idea of a moneyless society started with the idea of a cashless economy. He's also submitting a design patent for smart roads equipped with smart rails and smart ports, which can stop 100% of highway accidents and reduce vehicle carbon emissions by 40 to 50% in the short term and 80 to 90% in the long term. The US will be the first country in the world to start this new industry. After researching the market, JSR realized that his new invention can potentially become the second most handheld device in the world after cell phones. To find a market for it, he developed a new concept to make an entire country 100% cashless. As he is from Nepal, he started developing ideas to make Nepal a 100% cashless country. He presented his ideas to many universities and ministries and the central bank in Nepal. However, he realized that achieving a 100% cashless country will require significant sectoral, constitutional, legal, and structural changes beyond the breakthrough device alone. Ultimately, he ended up developing the concept of the democratic holistic economy or Kalkiism, also known as Karmaism. And while writing the book, he met Dr. Uma Shankar, one of the top economists from Nepal, who has helped him to understand economics and guided him to complete this worthwhile book. Dr. Uma Shankar's impressive academic background, which includes a PhD and MPhil in economics from the Center for Economic Studies and Planning, or CESP, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and an MA in economics from the Central Department of Economics at the Tribhuvan University in Nepal. He notes, it was a great pleasure to work with him. They have worked together for 2 years to come up with the final draft of the Kalkiist Manifesto or the Karmaist Manifesto. So, to sum it up, this entrepreneur of the wireless industry with a few patents under his belt, he started thinking in terms of a cashless economy, but that led to his thinking in terms of a moneyless economy, and that the concept of a moneyless economy is the gist of the Kalkiist Manifesto, also known as the Karmaist Manifesto, a book that is available online in paper form as well as digital form that anybody can access from anywhere in the world.